A year ago, this would have been a $50,000 website. That's the reality. It took me a weekend. And it is one of the greatest things that I've built in my entire life. And I didn't use a single human being to help me. I did spend money. Claude cost me quite a bit of money. I use Claude and Codex a lot, but it was a few $1,000s in credits, in tokens, because it's so heavy and because it's premium, what I wanted to do. Now, without a director, this doesn't happen. You need to be a director, and that's what I'm trying to pass on to you. The ability to become a director is what makes this extremely special and magical. I will not tell you that you cannot simply just go to AI and be like, build me a better website. The videos in this website, that background video that's really powerful, all I did was I fed it files, raw files. It created for me an accept, reject board in which I was able to, I like this one, I don't like this one, and this is why. And I was able to go through all the content, images, videos, graphics, clips, and so, etc. And with those accepts and rejects, I was able to get the videos produced by it. Put together, stitch, graphics, improvement on the quality, and so on. It was all done by Claude. This is something that would have cost a lot of money back then. I rebranded my agency's entire site. This is something that was obviously working long days, spending a lot of money. You guys check out agmagency.com. This is a rebrand that took me a few days of a lot of directing, a lot of vision, which is the one thing that is still in this era unscalable. The vision, the directing, the optimization of like the human. And that's where all of you have to develop this.
Yeah. But I couldn't do any of this without you, Manuel.
And again, not a single human being got involved, with a lot of value, a different look and feel to it. It wasn't, I will not tell you that you cannot simply just go to AI and be like, build me a better website. You can't do that. It requires a lot of information and a lot of communication. The most understated, valuable part of your life right now is your ability to communicate. Your ability to think and communicate. These are the things that right now you need to really triple down on. I have an integration, an API integration with Go High Level on Claude. The one on the right is also being done on Claude. Now, I can tell you that the initial structure for both was done in Codex. The architecture and design and the aesthetics of it were done in Claude. Claude is uniformly better when it comes to aesthetics, graphics, and designing, and video content and graphic making. Uniformly better. I am the least unbiased person in the world. I can tell you from 16-hour days and billions of tokens and many thousands of dollars spent that what I'm telling you is the truth. When I get stuck with something on Codex, I go to Claude and Claude wraps it up.
Nope, sorry, I can't do it.
Okay, I'll wrap it up for you.
Claude consistently doesn't want to push through to get something done and ask me, hey, it's only gonna take 5 minutes of your time.
Hey, it's only gonna take like 5 minutes of your time.
When it does that, then I ask it for a prompt for Codex, and then Codex brings it home.
Okay, fine.
So they are working in tandem, and they actually create phases together that don't clash their lanes. So whenever I have them working, they are all in communication, so they can all stay on each other's lanes. So I would use that. The tools will guide you as to what platforms to use. For example, I use, you still gotta use some of the hosting software out there and the security platforms and so on. Like for example, my website, agmagency.com, is built on Vercel, which is similar to WordPress, just more modern, different. So I built it on Vercel. I never went to vercel.com. I built it all, like I created the account through Claude and through Codex, but it's built through Vercel. I use Cloudflare for the DNS, which is the domain name server, the thing that makes your website visible and reachable. You need to have Cloudflare still. And but you can do it all for the same tool. And whatever you don't know, just know that the tools will guide you. You are the most important asset in your life. Your mind, your thinking capability, your ability to like direct to have a vision, to be an artist, to come up with like ideas of what you want.